Hi guys, guess who's back? We just got home last night from the hospital. Cameraman's doing well. It was a little bit longer than we had hoped. It was 13 days. He did great. He's home here now on the couch. So if you hear him coughing and going on, that's his way of recuperating, getting his lungs strong, and a silly way of saying, hey, I'm here, I'm alive, I made it through. So we're real happy. And we're going to make a simple dinner tonight because he needs to get his proteins up and his energy. So we're going to do what I'm always telling you guys about, these filet mignon tips. Look at these. So we love them. They're simple, they're easy, they're economical. And today I have someone helping me who came with me from the beginning of surgery and journey through this journey with us. This is my sister-in-law, Shiha. And she was with me from the beginning. It's my brother Darren's wife. And she's the sweetest person I know because I told her, come not only for the surgery day, they stayed for the ICU. They got me through that because my brother had this surgery last year. We used their surgeon and it was a wonderful experience, meaning we felt safe and it was great. A great thing to have that at the Cleveland Clinic. And that's because they got us in with their surgeon extremely quick. Okay, so enough of that. Cameraman will be back up and running when he's feeling good. It's going to take several weeks, so you're going to have to deal with me and all this craziness. And if I look like a hot mess, it's because I am. This is real. Remember I said I'm going to share my food, family, and my life? My life is, we just home last night from surgery for my husband on his heart. This is my family. And this is the food we're making tonight to sustain the three of us. And Millie included. She's back home. Yeah. She was out of sorts with a sitter, our lovely friend Sharon, who took care of her. We love you, Sharon. And all the people from YouTube that prayed for Vinny, that gave us well wishes and kind words. Love to you all. You guys don't know how much I miss this and how grateful we are. Now I'm going to just season these up lightly because dinner has to happen no matter what happens, right?
Yep.
We gotta go on. So I'm going to get a bowl. I'm going to take all these tips and I'm telling you guys, this is the most, this was $6.70 for this little batch here. It's going to feed the three of us quite abundantly. She was like me and Vinny. We all eat like mice. We're not big eaters, but we will enjoy all of it. It will be gone. No worries. Well, and he needs his protein because I don't need to tell you how, I gotta say it, how bad hospital food is. I can't imagine how they think they're going to save anybody or boost, I shouldn't say save, how they're going to boost anybody's energy or help them in the nutrition part of getting their energy back with that stuff. That at one point Vinny said, just please make it leave the room. Make it leave the room. So if he was strong enough to say make it leave the room, I know he was going to be okay. And you know what he asked for? Sadly, guys, he spent his birthday in Cleveland Clinic, and the staff was nice, and they sang to him, and I visited and I stayed with him. I said, don't worry about it. We'll have 2 birthdays when you get out of here. And he says, all I want for my birthday dinner is your sauce, your meatballs, and your pasta when I'm ready to eat something that heavy. Right now, we're going through worrying about protein and good B12 and veggies. He hasn't had a salad, which is strange to me. Did I tell you that? Did Darren have that? They didn't offer salad on any of the menu any time ever. It was never offered in.
He had to specially ask for it twice.
And we did low sodium, but that has nothing to do with it. No. I can make a salad with low sodium. You're going to watch me tonight. It's not hard. I told, I was bad. My YouTubers, I was bad. I kind of like told everybody, I need no help. We already live a hard, healthy diet, and we watch our sodium. You know how I'm freakish about that. But I should have kept it to myself because they're not crazy about me at the food center at the Cleveland Clinic. I have the nerve to tell them, no, we got this. It was hilarious. But considering looking at what they were offering, I think we do got this. Not for nothing. All right, here we go. A little bit of kosher salt because you got to have a little flavor. And the doc put Vin on regular diet, which means he can have some salt, just slow. Don't go crazy. We're not eating, anything processed. That's where all your big, bad salt is at. And take out pizzas and all of that jazz and frozen foods. You don't need me. I always say I'm no dietitian, I'm no nutritionist. Common sense. Use a little bit, and I prefer kosher salt. Why? Because it has minerals in it for you, like 16 or 17. And Morton's, I know you hate me for this, but it has no health value in their table salt. She's laughing because it's the first time I've ever had anybody on my channel. And I'm excited.
Honored.
She's honored.
I'm honored. I
said
it.
I always say food, family, sharing, and my
That's
life.
right.
Where's the family? People have said, is this girl solo? It's just her and her husband and her dog. Janine, Vinny, and the dog. She is the first guest.
Oh,
That
love
salad
it.
looks good. May I take one of those cucumbers?
Absolutely.
Oh, I love it. Oh my God. Along with Vinny, I haven't had good food. Another thing, the Marriott Hotel, the Courtyard, was very kind to me. I bled points while Vinny was in the hospital. I didn't want to tell him until he felt strong enough. We bled points, babe. We're done. Thousands and thousands and thousands. But
Oh my God.
it's worth it because we had to be there. I had to be close to him. And it was fun. But I met a lot of wonderful people. Alvin, thank you. And Stephanie and Victoria at the bar for keeping me company and get me through the hardest time of my life. You guys rock, and I love you all. And it's good to be home, but I miss yous. All right, this is pretty much set on this end here. I just got to grill up the heat here. We're going to do a quick stir fry on these because they don't need much, guys. You know that. I do them wok style because... Oh, she's doing fancy here now.
Oh.
I do them in the pan like this because I like the high ends and I like to do saute style, wok style. It's a quick saute. You like your meat medium rare? Because if I have to leave some behind, I've never had to dual temps.
No, however you guys do them.
Okay. And wonderful neighbors are... Thank you all. Anybody and everybody who knows me and Vinny and what we went through, I thank you from my heart for all the good wishes and all the kindness. And a neighbor gave us some beautiful food today that we had for lunch, and we saved some of the rice. Here's beautiful. I got to get this recipe. Because it's delicious. It looks so simple. It looks like brown rice, but I don't think it is. But it's absolutely delicious. I don't know what she flavored with it, but I will get this recipe and I'll share it with you if she shares it with me. So we're going to have that with our steak tips and salad, and that's good for us. Now, what do you think I should use in this tonight? The avocado oil or go right for the extra virgin we're pushing?
You know best.
Well, no, you know what? All right. We'll use both. This is the one I told you guys, you could trace it. I tried to trace it in front of my sister-in-law, and we were doing this, but... It would not do it for like 5 attempts. I gave up. I said, this is ridiculous. But it does do it. I did it once, and I traced it back to the very tree that these olives came from. That's what amazed me. I bought it for that. You're laughing, and you know.
No, you told me. Yeah, that's why we bought it.
See?
That's why
she's proof that I share. When I find a good product or food or something, I get, oh, God, what did I share with you just today?
Peanut butter.
Yeah. Okay. I'll show you that later. I shared with the BP2, the powdered protein-like sugar. You're going to be using that oil. And a little bit of our balsamic.
Okay. This oil?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to saute with it because I tell everybody no oil is too expensive to use. You just got to watch. Everybody says about a high heat, and that is true. But we're not going to go crazy. We're going to just get this meat in here. And watch when you hear that sizzle. Okay.
You want balsamic, guys? Balsamic?
Yeah. Do it the way you would do it at home, because Vinny he's easy going. He'll eat it anyway. See that? The little red blood? That's that B12 we need. We got to beef him up.
Well, however you guys like it, I'm game.
We're good too. Light, not crazy, not too much of either.
Right.
And salt, pepper, and garlic powder. That's this is my salad trinity. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Here,
Thank you.
do that there. Oh, this is so much fun. I'm
It
so
is.
glad you're here. She's
I'm
with
so
us till
happy
Friday.
I'm
We
here.
got home last night, Tuesday. Today marks 2 weeks exactly since the surgery. So we're halfway to the 4-week point where they say the bones have a good amount of healing. And they put the titanium wire to get his chest back. And we're about 2 weeks in, so we're happy. We went through physical ed person, supervisor coming to pick a phys ed for him, and he's got a nurse who's going to come and help us. He hates the walker that the doctor said use very little temporarily. It's not going to be for a long period, but he needs to use it till he builds up. And that's where we are. We're in the healing stages. And don't hate me, you're going to hear a little bit of heart-healthy recipes. And we're going to still do our other stuff. I'm going to make these guys breakfast tomorrow. So that's a good video. That's going to be good. Because she's going to have, she wants a certain dish, I'm not even going to say. And Vinny's going to have a certain dish. I'm just so happy to be back in my kitchen with my food, my seasoning. You can make flavor without salt. You don't need salt. So when they say low sodium, it's like no big deal to me. You guys know how I feel about that. I'm the salt whisperer. I tell everybody. You see what do I say? I watch my sodium before the doctor tells
That's
me
right.
I have to.
You
It's
are
heart
right.
healthy, guys. All joking aside, the best thing you could do is watch that salt in your food.
Absolutely.
Stay heart healthy. I'm gonna help myself get there, and you can watch along. If you like something and you want to join in, add it to your diet. But we're going down that road right now for Vinny and for health. What'd you say? I know. You hear him? Nothing changes. Keep it rare. Vinny wants the meat mooing to the table, to the thing with him. How about you, Shihan?
Wherever you go, I'm cool. I'm cool. Either way.
You know, I'll pull his bigger, rare pieces out sooner. I know how to do this. Hey, I'm a YouTube cook and home cooker.
Easy.
I'm no chef, but I got this. He wants his a little rare. We're going to pull Monsieur Vincenzo out sooner. No biggie. I got to reheat the rice. She's got the salad. It's a light, healthy dinner. It really is, guys.
Yeah.
No biggie here. And you see why I like this? Look. I love this space. I don't know. I just want to cook everything I can in a wok. And I love this pan. I love the sizzle. Do you use this? Do you do any woks?
Yeah,
I love stir fry.
I love it. Me too.
I love it.
Me too. Me too.
All right, I see a few pieces that he wants it rare. I'm going to pull out for him. Let's do that for Vin.
I could bring your salad out there, right?
Huh?
I could bring your salad out there.
Yeah, you can leave it there, mix it, and I'll plate him
I'll
like
put it,
now,
okay.
and then
Gotcha.
you'll take as much as you like.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat like a little bit. I'm not hungry
You
because
have to eat.
I will eat. They want to blow my diet. I'm telling you, the stress made me lose a few pounds. I'm not putting it back. I'm not. Okay. I'm gonna put this in for 3 minutes. And that's about it, guys. That's it. Steak's done. I'm going to leave the fire on. All right. So we'll be back, and you'll enjoy this video, our first night home, and look forward to that breakfast. I'm happy to be back in Janine's kitchen, in the kitchen with Janine, sharing food, family, and my life. If you like this video, remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.